But yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to make easy 2,000 to 5,000 naira daily, depending on the people that want this particular service. Now the service is called data plug, that is data service, data selling also. So I'm going to show you guys the platform I use. The platform that I recommend you to use is fast, it's reliable. So far that I've been using it. So the site that we're going to be using here is called Nearly Free, and the link to the site is on the description of this video, so you can support me by tapping on that link. The link is going to take you to the website where we're going to register. You're going to register, and then I'm going to show you guys how to now start selling data there.
When you come to the website that says Nearly Free, then if you have not created an account, you just click on sign up, and this is the process of sign up, where you just sign all your information here. You put in your Gmail, your phone number, and I suggest you put a very strong password, and the password that you can easily remember. Then whoever referred you, you can now put in the referral code here. But let me log in because I already have an account, and then I'm just going to tap on login, and you see I've logged in successful, and that is, you see how much is in my account. So here, if you want to, let's say, sell data for people, all you're going to click is, now you come here to this data where it says data here. See this place that it says data, so you come and tap on it, and you see it's going to show you the type, and you just select, and you select the price for the data that you want to do. And let's say now it's 5 gig for 30 days that you want to do. You see, 5 gig for 30 days is 1,170. That is this one. And then you just put the number. Very easy. You select the number of the client that you want to do it for, and then you just put the number, and you just tap on pay, and it's going to pay straight. So, but let me show you guys now. Let's say you don't have money here and you want to fund your wallet. So what you're to do is to come here to where it says fund wallet. You see up there where it says fund wallet, this place here, see that it says fund wallet. You now come here and tap on fund wallet, and then you see, so here you have your generated account number. This account number here are the ones that it's your own personal account number, so you can just copy it and transfer. The money is going to appear there. So let me just use Wema Bank. Let me copy it and transfer money, and I'm going to show you guys the money that is going to pop out there.
So mind you, when you fund your wallet, they're going to remove 100 naira. I think they're going to remove 100 naira because it was actually long I started using this site. So I don't know how much pending now, but when I started using this site, they removed 100 naira. That is for the first time, but they are not going to remove it again. This is just the first deposit you're going to make. Let's say you put 1,000 naira, they're going to remove 100 naira, and you're going to have 900 naira. So just have that in mind.
Well, let me say I want to do 5 gig. Let me say I want to do 5 gig. So I'm going to transfer 1,000, and how much is left? 1,200. So I've copied it by coming here and then tapping on this copy, and then I'm going to go to my app and then transfer the money, and I'll come back to you guys. So I've just sent the money. And let's see, sometimes it's going to take few minutes before it's going to now appear on your wallet. So you should just be patient with that. So as we're waiting for the money, if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and like the video also if you're getting value from it. So let's just wait a little bit. So as you can see, the money has just been reflected here at our balance. You can see it there. So all we have to do now is to let's cancel this, and let's go back to the slim, or is it, yeah, it's slim also, but SME also. It's kind of more cheaper. So let's say the price, and let's say we want to go for 5 gig. So yeah, let's try using the SME. So you see SME, then you now put your number that you want to do the subscription for. So we want to do 5 gig for this particular number. This is my number, and then Victor, then all what you have to do is just to come down here and click on pay, and you see everything is ready. You see what you're going to pay, the price and everything for 30 days. Then all you to do is now to tap on yes. and it's going to load, and then it's successful. So you can see as fast as that, you can see the 5 gig appearing up there as fast as that. So you just close it. So sorry, let me make you understand. The CG is kind of expensive. It's more expensive because you see 5 gig for the CG is 1175, but for the slim, the price is, you see, for 5 gig is 1090. See, 1090. So for slim, it's just that slim has just few what you can do. That is highest is 10 gig, but I think for the CG, it has a lot of, see, from 15 gig. And yeah, so the CG is for bigger, let's say, subscription that you want to do. So just take note of that.
The next thing now is how you're going to get profit. So I've just done a rough calculation. I think the first the slim, which is 500 MB, you can sell it for 250 instead of the normal price that is 109 naira. So you can sell it for 250, and then you get your profit there. And even the 1 gig, you can sell it for 350. So you get a profit of 132, I guess. Then you can sell the 2 gig for 600. Yeah, you can sell it for 600 to get one, that is 164 naira also. So the thing is, you just put in your own profits that you want, your own profit that you think. But I would highly recommend you lower your profit so that you can now fit inside, you get a lot of customers, because so many people are putting high profit, high this in gain to it. And if you can reduce your own, you get a lot of customers, then you can now scale it over time. So if you're finished setting everything that you're supposed to, how your profits is going to be, the next thing is for you to create a flyer that you're going to be posting on your social media platforms there, to let people know that okay, you do sell data as part of what you do. And let me show you guys how to create a flyer, that is if you don't know how to do so, and just cut up your cost. So if you guys are getting value from this video, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and like this video so that more people are going to see it and it's going to reach more people and help them. And now we are going to use canva.com to create this flyer, and I'm going to leave a link below. You're going to tap on the link and it's going to take you to Canva. You register there, and then it's a free platform where you can create designs. So after you've registered on Canva, this is how it's good. This is how the platform is, and it's not really complicated. All you have to do is come to this search place, and then we're not going to type in flyer. Let's search. Okay, let's just select this one. I like the color. So here, everything that you're now going to do is just to tap and change the name. Let's just say Victor data blog. So we're just going to scale it down by tapping the edge here, and then just tap on this middle part to stretch it. So this is my name for the business, the data business. So it's kind of really hard to do it with your phone, but this is a phone making money with your phone, so I don't want to even use the system. Everything you can do with your phone, so we'll just leave it here. And what we're going to do next is to just delete this thing. We don't need it, and we just tap here, this plus here, and then come to this element. You see down here, element, and we're going to look for a shape. Yeah, let's look for, let's say this shape, this particular shape here. See, from this line and shape, and then let's just extend it, draw it up like this place. So this will be for our MTN and Airtel. So what would you just to duplicate it by tapping on this place here. Let me show you guys here. Yeah, to duplicate it, so you just tap on it and it's duplicated. We bring it here, and then yeah. So I just need MTN. I just want to work with MTN and Airtel. And I advise, if you're starting, just start with MTN and Airtel first, and then MT is now to tap on this plus. You tap on the plus again and come to this text. Tap on the text, and then we'll just slide down here. You see this bestseller, we can just tap on it. We'll tap on it, and so here we have it. And we're not going to write all our data services. We'll copy and take it back to our Canva. Tap on this and what we've copied here. Actually, what we'll do first is to ungroup. You see this ungroup, just tap on ungroup, so it's going to ungroup all of them because they are all in group. And then we'll now tap on it again, copy everything, and then what we're going to do next is to paste what we've copied. Let's do it again. Select all and then paste. So you can see, let's go down, let's remove this let's remove it. So this is how you do it. You make sure you write everything that you're supposed to write, arrange it properly, then you put in you type your account number here. Let's say here is for account number, and then you now put your account number here, and just arrange everything properly. And then what you have to do is just to come to this place here, this arrow here, and then just tap on it to download what you have.